Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a wig review. Now it's been a minute since I did a wig review, but I guess I'm gonna be hopping back and forth from my natural hair to my wigs. As you guys can see, my hair is back, natural hair is back, and I'm just rocking with a sleep bun right now because the weather is just up and down, and with the rain and everything. I don't know about my twist outs, but I'll probably eventually do a twist out, but I just decided to do sleep bun. But anyway, without further ado, the wig that I'm actually going to be reviewing is a wig that I recently purchased because I'm going to an event next month, and I thought this would be like fitting for my whole outfit and everything. And there will be a vlog on this, so if you haven't seen this wig again, you remember this. But anyway, I did purchase with my money. This was $50, $49.99 to be specific. I've never tried crimped hair before. But this is the 5G True HD Transparent Lace. It says the lace is for a perfect meltdown finish. It is iron friendly. And yeah, so HD lace crimped hair. And the color that I have it is P1B/30. So it's like a blend of like brownish. Kind of similar to the color that I've recently had in my box braids. If you haven't seen any videos of my box braids, I have so many, like my last video, that I can plug in here. But this is what the packaging looks like. Now, as I said, I haven't tried this specific brand before, especially the HD lace wig 5G True. So this is going to be the first time. As always, when you get the wig, it comes in this thing and has all the attachments and everything to it. Now I'm not gonna lie to you, the wig kind of has a not the best smell to it, so I might wash it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like probably the week before I'm gonna go to my event, so that it's freshly washed and has good smell. It doesn't stink, but it doesn't smell the best. But anyway, this is the, the net they always give you guys. It's not horrible. Okay, so this is the hair on the mannequin looking thing. It comes with the lace. This one actually, I think, comes with baby hairs. It does, right? Yeah. And it's crazy because I was saying I wanted baby hairs, but it looks like it does kind of. Maybe it's just me. There's just a few that looks like short pieces in the front. But it maybe is not. Anyway, so as always, and most wigs comes with the extra safety security parts like this to hold up the wig. So I'm just gonna take all those off. Now this is what the wig looks like. I'm probably gonna keep this wig. I don't see why I'm not. So I'm gonna take this off because this piece is attached to it. Okay, as you guys can also see, and now, as I always say, I'm like I call myself a pretty much beginner in wigs, so this is not gonna be like a whole crazy install. But as you guys can see inside, it has the combs. I generally like to use the combs because for me it just works better. I feel like I just need some security in my life. It comes with the band that normally comes in wigs. I'm trying to put this one in because this one got loose, I guess. But yeah, so as you can see, so you guys can see the inside. And then as you guys can see, this is the lace part, the scalp. So I'm going to go ahead and put my wig cap on, and I'm going to try my best, emphasis on try, because I am a glasses wearer, so I can't really see that much right now. Everything's a blur. So we're going to try to cut it, but if anything, I'm probably going to cut some off camera because, yeah. But I'm just going to put this wig cap on. I feel like it's been forever since I had a wig on. I feel like for the most part, I think that only in my life there's been only like one wig that I didn't really like. For the most part, I always like the wigs. Now, I will say that I think I might have to tighten. Oh no, I think it's because this is in the way, I hope. But the wig seems a little tight, so I may have to loosen it a little bit. I can't even see myself. Let's see. Well, first off, it's not even in the thing. So this is what it's looking like. Now I think I'm just gonna go off camera and cut this off because, and then we'll like properly apply it. But I might have to adjust the strings as well. So I'm gonna go off camera because I'm not good with, I don't have a great mirror to like do it off on camera. So let's go ahead and take it off. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this part properly and then come back to you guys. So this is what the hair looks like. I like it a lot. Now I will say, I don't know if it's due to me having the bun, it might be, but even on the top it feels tight. Like I don't even feel like with this wig specifically that I even need to use the clips because it's so tight on me. I can definitely use those adjustable straps, but I think it's, in a way I think it's good because sometimes I don't like using the clips. So like when I say like it's really tight like a hat, like I don't feel like it's gonna move at all. I really like how it looks. I like the curly look like on me. It's really nice. Now I don't remember how long was this. This is I think 20, it doesn't say. I thought it said how many inches on here, but it does not say actually. So I'm not entirely sure. Now I do like the crimp wigs. I really see the look coming into effect. Now I'm not going to do any concealer because like I said, I want to most likely wash the wig first just to get the smell out. But I do like it a lot. I like how like it looks pretty natural for the most part. Of course I didn't do my edges just because I'm going to do my edges again in a few minutes. And I want to just do it one time instead of applying too much. So I don't want to like go ahead and apply edges and then have to reapply it, if that makes sense. So I'm not going to do edges, but my edges are really flat because I had on anyway, right, at least for right now, because I had, like it was tied down. So yeah, this is my review. I want to actually just brush it out and see how it looks. Hopefully not messing up the thing. Sorry. I'm like trying to look at my thing, like my thing, because I'm not using my camera with the screen, so I have to look down. But even combing it out, like the curls come back really good. It's just a little more puffy, but I'm fine with that because again, when I wash it anyway, the curls might come out. But I do like if you don't want the super perfect crump look and you want it to be a little loose, like almost like body wave hair, then you can like comb it out. Yeah, but it's pretty long. Like I can only wear this, I feel like this is a special occasion wig. I could not wear this to work. It's too long. Just so much hair in my face. So yeah, but I do like the wig a lot. So it gives princess vibes. I think this is, actually I really do think this is a perfect, sorry, I'm just checking myself in the mirror. But I like I said, I actually do feel like this is the perfect wig for the occasion. I'm just gonna have to put a reminder on my phone now. I will say this is, it was $50. I think this is a human blend, meaning, but it sheds a lot, so I feel like it's still synthetic, but it was actually pricey for if it is fully synthetic wig. Yeah, because I was like $49, and this was like the cheapest, not the cheapest wig, but out of a lot of them that I liked, this was the cheapest one when I went into my beauty supply store, because I went to go to the beauty supply store and see what they had in there. They had nicer ones, but they were like $100, and I was like, I didn't want to spend $100 personally, so I wanted something that was easy to put on. This is very easy. It gives me very princessy vibes, so I can definitely see this coming together. Now I'm not gonna make this a little super long video. Guys know I'm a beginner, so I'm not gonna do the extra, but I feel like this wig is so easy to go. Like if you wanted to wet it, you could, to like give you like the extra curly vibe, but I'm not gonna wet it now because I'm gonna wet it and wash it most likely. So, but even just like you literally want to grab and wake up and go, this is perfect. Like literally, I literally just put it on just now like as a hat, and it was easily just goes on. But yeah, I mean, I would recommend the hair. If you don't like shedding, then you know that's something to note. You will get shedding with this hair, but me personally, I don't really care too much. Worst case scenario, probably just I have a mini brush anyway, just have it in handy if I need to, like, if anything is tangling. But it's not too bad of a tangle, because I've had wigs that are worse tangle. Like I can actually, as you guys can see, I'm combing through the hair without any like issues, and that, I think that's always the biggest thing. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to try to give you guys a 360 if I can. This is the side of the hair. And then I'll try to go to the back. Well, like I said, it's very odd that I don't see the length of the hair, but this is at least 20 plus inches because it's really long. Like, it reaches to my lower back, a little longer than that. So it's at least 20 inches. So it depends on the person. Me, I have had really long hair before, so it doesn't bother me. It could have definitely been a little shorter because it might be hot, but I feel like the event that I'm going to, they're probably going to have AC, so my hair will probably be keeping me warm, honestly. But overall, like I said, it's not bad. I really do like it. Easy to comb through. I don't know why I keep on combing it. It's just like, it gives me Rapunzel vibes. That's what it gives me. And I really like it a lot. Like, seriously. This is a really cute wig. I feel like if you're going to a nice function, this is an easy wig to just put on. And it's just going to make it easy too, because when I go to my event, literally I'll probably just have to do my edges, like I said. I will add concealer, but I'm waiting again after I wash it. I'll add some concealer, and I'll just do my edges, and I'll be good to go for the event, like, honestly. And then, yeah. So, yeah, this is my review of this crimp hair. I know crimp has been in season. I've never had crimp hair, but I know they, like, brought it back. So, yeah, this is my crimp hair review. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And yeah, I'm not gonna make this a long video, like I said. So that's my review. Like, I have nothing bad to say about the hair. It's very seldom that I say like I love a synthetic wig, so it has to be very good. I know in the past there's some synthetic wigs that I've tried, like I said, and it's hard to detangle and get through it, but this is very easy. The hair is also something also to note. It's very soft. I like that the color is really subtle. Like, you can see that it has the shades of brown in it, like ombre looking, but it's not too out there. Initially I did want to do a black wig, but then I saw this color. I was like, I'll be good with this color, so I just told him to give me this color. But yeah, I like it. It's subtle. It's not too out there, but it's really still cute. And yeah, so that's my review. Another quick look. I really like it. Anyway though, I'm done. I'll leave the link of the wig. Yeah, the wig down below in the description box. And thanks so much for watching. Make sure you like, you comment, you share this video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.